Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can turn off clone apps. You can see there are two WhatsApp, two Instas and two Facebook is showing how you can close your clone version apps in your OnePlus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe down, go to settings, and here it is apps are showing. Click on apps, click on app cloner, and here you can see there are three other apps that are cloned. Just simply tap on it. You have to simply turn off and delete the clone of Facebook. The clone of Facebook and its data will be permanently deleted. This action cannot be undone. Friends, when you just delete your Facebook of clone version, it will delete your data inside it and your account also. Just delete all this like this, and friends, press back. You can see there are one Facebook, Insta and WhatsApp is showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.